Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Avocados, you can grow them here. We have a documented proof of a number of different productive avocado trees in Arizona, but that takes a unique microclimate, and it's really it's kind of you got to have a 10-year plan of microclimate transition for an avocado plant to really survive. It starts off almost in full shade, but then by its maturity, it needs to have its crown in full sun, but the base still in shade. So it's a complicated tree, and then to get it to fruit and hold fruit, you need ambient humidity. So now you need a water feature, and you're going to need... So probably the most complicated, it's the holy grail of all fruit trees that you can grow here in Arizona, is probably the avocado. And that is proof. You can just search on any of the garden groups here in Arizona, bring up the term avocado, and you will, it's a divisive subject, you know. It's a divisive subject. It is possible. It takes a lot of work. You need to have a lot of things working in your favor, and you need to be willing to work all the things that aren't natively there, which is a lot. So soil conditions, water conditions, and like I was saying, there's a transition over a course of about 10 years that you need to plan for and make sure you're ready to accommodate its needs. You know, or just move to South America and throw a seed in the ground.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.